Today I'm going to be buying TikTok coins so that we can run ads. One of the ways I used to do that is when I'm on live, when I'm on people's live. So normally I can't, there's nowhere to buy coin anywhere in my profile. So I have to go to people's live, then click on that coin, please. So if I proceed right now, it may be noisy, but I want you to stick with me. So this is
focus on your life.
I'll click on people's
Oh
I'll
my
click on
god,
people's
baby.
live, then I'll click on
This is not I'm This is
then when I
rubbish.
click on this, then
This
I'll
is
just go
rubbish.
over to then I'll just go over to when I click on this, I'll just go over to picking the coin I want to buy. So for this video, this evening, so I'm just going to buy a very small coin. Although tomorrow I'm going to buy heavy coin because I want to run more ads. So for because of this night, I'm just going to buy a 70 coin. Then I'll just click on recharge. Now my stuff is already connected to my card. If your TikTok is not connected to your card, it would ask you to like put in your password, put in some details. But my stuff is already connected, so I just need to tap once to already have all my details. I just need to tap once. So when I tap once, I put my verification and automatically I've bought my coin. So you see it now. Payment successful. I've bought my coin. You understand? So it's now very, you can see Zenith Bank just sent me a message. So it's not very easy for me to just go and promote any video. Now I want to go over here just to do a little bit of promotion. So they will not ask me for anything again. How many coins did I even buy? I think very small coin. So I'll just promote very minimally. Tomorrow I'll promote heavy. I'm just doing this for the sake of training purpose. So what I'll do is I'm going to run a lead generation ads. So I'm clicking on get leads, and I'm going to choose the video I just uploaded today. Where's that video? Learn copywriting. So the video I just uploaded today. There's a video I just uploaded today. I'll just click on it. Okay, if I can't find it here, then I can just go over to my profile. That video, I can just go over to my profile, click on it here, and just click on
to teach you how to profit from
promote.
If you're interested, all you need to do right now is to just
where is the promote? I'll click on increase views. When I click on increase view, I'll just click on get leads. Then the next thing I'll do is to just maybe I don't know how much I bought, but I'm it's not up to, you see, up to 1,000. So I'll just click on 1,000. Let me just run ads of 1,000 tonight. So I'm just going to click on, or let's just put it 1,500. I don't know if it's up to either our card can buy. So 1,500. So this is the lead he said it will give me. So I don't think I want sales. I'll still put get sales because I'm taking people straight to a website. So get sales. So I've already clicked on this. This is my ads I'm running. So I have to change the budget again to like 1,500. I hope what is there can carry me. Then the next thing I'll do is, okay, 1,500 is not enough, so I need to maybe click on 1,400, confirm. So if okay, it didn't still work, so I'm going to click on maybe 1,300 or 1,200. Let's just do 1,200. So when I do 1,200, you can see it comes to 0. So this is just a 1-day ad. So I can see the objective is towards get sales. Get sales means people are going to my websites to click on my stuff and probably click on get into my funnel. So that is my ideal. So I just click on start because I already have coins there and I bought the coins through the live, and it's already paying for the ads. And guess what? This thing is going to like boost that video to very, very crazy way, in a very, very crazy way. TikTok is just still starting up right now, so everything is very, very easy. You can see all the old details, very, very easy. Now let me show you some of the videos that TikTok boosted for me. You can see this one here, this top one that I'm pointing at, boosted it crazily. it did not boost this 500. I grew this one organically, but there's another one. You can see this one. I boosted it. This one that I'm talking like this, I boosted it and it was really good. Another one that did well for me were these 2 ads, 1 and 2. So TikTok is a very good place to run ads. Don't even waste time. Start running ads on TikTok before it gets expensive. So with that being said, if you have not followed this channel, follow. If you have not liked, if you have not shared, just follow, comment. Just tell me what you got, whether you really got value from this video, so that I'll know. With that being said, see you on the next one.